Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County and central Delaware until 8 p.m. At 7:14 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located over Green Spring, or 8 miles south of Middletown, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include